Welcome back! I'm Teacher MaheNoor. Let's draw an easy Pikachu step by step. Comment your request Pikachu below and stay tuned for the result!
Friends, we have prepared this drawing exactly like the original. If you liked it, then please do give it a like. And yes, if you want me to make a drawing of your choice, just let me know the name in the comments, and I will make the next video especially for you.